In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share my Google Calendar with someone else. Let's get started on a computer for the smoothest experience. Open Google Calendar in your web browser and sign in to the account that holds the calendar you want to share. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar. You'll see sections like My Calendars and Other Calendars. Find the specific calendar you want to share. If you have several, they'll be color coded, so take a second to make sure you've got the right one. Hover your mouse over that calendar name and click the three dots that appear. This opens a small menu. Choose Settings and Sharing. That takes you to the calendar settings page where all the sharing controls live. Scroll until you find the section labeled Share with specific people or groups. This is the safest way to share because it limits access to only the people you choose. Click Add People and Groups. A field will appear where you can type the person's email address. Enter the address carefully. Sharing goes to exactly what you type, so double check for typos before moving on. Next, look at the Permissions drop-down next to the email you just added. From here, select See All Event Details. This option lets the person view event names, locations, descriptions, and guests, but they won't be able to edit your events or change your calendar. It's a great default for clear visibility without giving control. As a tip, if you only want someone to know when you're busy without seeing the details, you could choose Free Busy Only. And if you ever need to give editing access later, you can come back to the same spot and adjust the permission. When you're happy with the permission level, click Send. Google Calendar will email the person an invitation to view your calendar. They may need to accept that invite before your calendar shows up in their list. If they're using a Google account, it usually appears automatically after acceptance. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If you don't see the calendar you expected in the left sidebar, make sure you're in the correct Google account. If you shared the wrong calendar by accident, return to Settings and Sharing, remove the person, and share the correct one. You can also repeat these steps to add more people or come back later to change someone's permission or stop sharing altogether. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Google Calendar and set the right level of access, all in a few clicks.